Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to draw Infinity Helios from Bakugan Titanium Surge. Waited a long time to draw this guy, and then finally the time has come. Let's do this. First of all, Helios started off as a Pyrus-type Bakugan, and, well, during Titanium Surge, he changed his type into a Darkest Bakugan. I know, right? I mean, what would the Bakugan universe be without Darkest? And for Helios to evolve into the next level, he needed an attribute change, like Darkest. Now let's get started on drawing this guy, shall we? Seeing Helios on the good side, it's the best thing I've ever seen. Well, one of the best things I've ever seen. Now let's draw the teeth. Nope. There's his head. I know I don't exactly have Infinity Helios at the moment, but I have other Bakugan related to Helios. I've got Viper Helios, and Mechanical Helios. That's about it. But I do have Metal Fencer, though. Remind me that I have to draw him, because I love you guys. There we go. There's his hand. There we go. Now we just draw the core in his chest. England. Alright. Almost there. Back in 2011, Max Infinity Helios was one of the most popular Bakugan to find. I never exactly got my hands on it, but... And guess what? I'm gonna get the chance to draw this character. You know, because I know you guys have been wanting to get the chance to find Infinity Helios. I thought it would be a better idea to draw him. You know, because Infinity Helios is one of the most popular Bakugan. Popular as Alpha Hydronoid. Now we just draw this spike on his back. Now we just draw the hand here. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Go. 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 And the task isn't done yet, folks. We still have to draw the turrets on his back. Alexa, start the song over. Alexa, play Fist Bump.
Fist Bump by Nate Wants to Battle on Amazon Music.
Now this is more like it.
can't do this alone, even though I am strong. Need something more than me, someone to push me to victory. Let's see what we can do.
There we go. There we go.
Together, me and you can't be afraid to try. Kiss your fears goodbye. No looking back. You and I were on the attack, full speed ahead, running to the sunset. Such a different feeling. Both of us believing we can make it better. Together we can show the world what we can do. You and this man up next to you, pushing on through until the battle's won. No one's gonna give a thing to us. Into each other we put our trust, standing united after the fight. All alone we will never be. The two of us are holding the key. We see today a world we couldn't see before I say goodbye to you. One more last fist bump.
Finally, there's the tail. There we go. That's how you draw Infinity Helios. And done. Okay guys, that's how you draw Infinity Helios. I've waited a long time to draw this character, and my task is done. That's 9 redrawn characters done. A few more to go. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. Like and rock and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And I'll show you guys what awesome character I'll draw you guys next. Stegosaurus, see you later!